Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. This is another video in our series on substitutions. Today we'll share something you can do if you don't have ricotta cheese, an ingredient used sometimes in Italian dishes. For those who don't know what ricotta is, it's similar to cottage cheese, but cottage cheese has small curds and ricotta is smooth. You can substitute regular cottage cheese in lasagna because you don't notice the curds quite as much, but if you're making a baked ziti or something with sauce, using cottage cheese looks disgusting mixed with a reddish orangish sauce. If you want your food to look more appetizing, have your kids actually eat it, and save money, try the following. Take your cottage cheese and put it in your food processor and turn it on until the cottage cheese is smooth. It looks much more appetizing in your recipes, has the same texture as ricotta, and is a lot less expensive. I think I'll go make some baked ziti with this. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.